Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hello Kishan,
So
what do you want to cook today?
today I'm going to make my wife's favorite Bataka BHUNGRA because she don't eat outside. This is Indian street food. So even I'm going to show viewers also, and I'm going to teach her also like how to make at home, so we can enjoy. And this is evening snacks. Any of our viewers they want to cook at home, they can make. It's very nice, but it's spicy. So make sure this is specially for spicy lovers. So guys, let me show you things. Which one is required? Come. Which things are required?
Okay.
This one is a paste. Is for chili and garam masala. You have to make thick gravy like this.
Okay.
You have to add chili. You have to add garam masala and coriander powder, and you have to make paste like this with water.
Potato?
This is potato, boiled potato, and I have to take a little bit chili and garam masala and mix it and try to coat it with
Chili.
everything. Yeah, chili like this. You can see it's like just coated.
Okay.
You have to leave it for 1 hour, maybe half hour, so taste can go inside.
Okay.
This one finely chopped
Coriander, I know.
This one is onion, chopped onion. This is garlic, ginger paste. This is roasted groundnuts. It's optional. If you need, you can. Otherwise, you can leave it. And this is lemon for taste. And this is special things.
Bungra.
This one you have to eat this with this one. So guys, let's see how I'm going to cook, and it will be very spicy. So make sure if you are not eating spicy, don't try this, because if it's not spicy, you cannot enjoy it. So guys, so here we can start now.